Agriculture is one of the most important sectors of the Kenyan economy. It provides food, creates employment, earns foreign exchange, and supports millions of families across the country. Every year, Kenya exports many agricultural products such as tea, coffee, fresh flowers, avocados, vegetables, fruits, nuts, herbs, and spices to different countries around the world. These exports help bring billions of Kenyan shillings into the country and strengthen the national economy. Behind this successful export industry are government agencies that regulate, support, and promote agricultural exports. One of the main government agencies responsible for agricultural exports in Kenya is the Agriculture and Food Authority. This state corporation was established under the Agriculture and Food Authority Act of 2013 and officially began operating in 2014. The authority regulates, develops, and promotes scheduled crop value chains in Kenya. It works closely with farmers, exporters, processors, county governments, and international buyers to ensure Kenyan agricultural products meet local and international standards. The Agriculture and Food Authority has several directorates that focus on different agricultural sectors. These include the Horticultural Crops Directorate, Coffee Directorate, Food Crops Directorate, Sugar Directorate, Fiber Crops Directorate, Nuts and Oil Crops Directorate, and the Mura, Pyrethrum, and other Industrial Crops Directorate. Each directorate manages the production, processing, licensing, and marketing of crops under its responsibility. This structure helps improve efficiency and allows each crop sector to receive specialized attention. The Horticultural Crops Directorate plays a very important role because horticultural products are among Kenya's biggest agricultural exports. Fresh vegetables, fruits, flowers, herbs, and nuts are exported to markets in Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and other parts of the world. The Directorate licenses exporters, registers packhouses, monitors production, promotes quality standards, and works to ensure that Kenyan produce satisfies the strict requirements of international markets. Exporting agricultural products requires careful planning and compliance with many rules. Farmers and exporters must ensure their products are safe for human consumption and free from harmful pests and diseases. Good farming practices, proper use of pesticides, clean harvesting methods, correct packaging, and efficient transportation all play a major role in successful exports. Products that fail to meet quality standards may be rejected by importing countries, causing financial losses to farmers and exporters. Another important institution supporting agricultural exports is the Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Service. This organization inspects crops and issues phytosanitary certificates that confirm exported produce meets plant health requirements. The service also conducts laboratory testing, pest monitoring, seed certification, and plant quarantine services. These activities help maintain Kenya's reputation as a reliable supplier of high-quality agricultural products. The Kenya Bureau of Standards also supports agricultural exports by developing and enforcing quality standards. Exporters must follow packaging, labeling, grading, and safety requirements before their products leave the country. Meeting these standards increases buyer confidence and improves the chances of Kenyan products competing successfully in international markets. The Kenya Export Promotion and Branding Agency also contributes to agricultural exports. The agency helps market Kenyan products in foreign countries, organizes trade fairs, connects exporters with international buyers, and promotes the Kenyan brand globally. This support helps farmers and exporters find new markets while strengthening existing business relationships. Digital technology is becoming increasingly important in agricultural exports. Government agencies have introduced online systems that allow exporters to apply for licenses, submit documents, and access regulatory services electronically. Digital traceability systems are also being introduced to track produce from the farm to the final export market. This improves transparency, strengthens food safety, and allows authorities to identify the source of any quality problem quickly if it occurs. Farmers who wish to export directly usually need to register their businesses, obtain the necessary licenses, and comply with export regulations. Many small-scale farmers choose to join cooperatives or work under contract farming arrangements with licensed exporters. This allows them to access larger markets, receive technical support, benefit from training, and reduce the costs associated with exporting independently. Value addition has become another important focus for Kenya's agricultural export sector. Instead of exporting only raw products, many businesses are processing agricultural produce into higher value products. Coffee can be roasted and packaged locally, avocados can be processed into cooking oil, herbs can be dried and packaged, Fruits can be turned into juices or dried snacks, and nuts can be roasted and branded for international markets. Value addition increases income, creates more jobs, and improves Kenya's export earnings. Cold chain management is another critical factor in agricultural exports. Fresh produce such as flowers, vegetables, and fruits must be transported under controlled temperatures to maintain freshness and quality. Proper cold storage facilities, refrigerated trucks, and efficient airport handling reduce spoilage and ensure products arrive in excellent condition. This is especially important because many export destinations are several hours away by air. Training and farmer education remain essential for successful exports. Government agencies, development organizations, universities, and private companies regularly provide training on good agricultural practices, safe pesticide use, harvesting techniques, record-keeping, irrigation, soil management, climate-smart farming, and international market requirements. Well-trained farmers produce higher-quality crops that attract better prices in export markets. Climate change presents both opportunities and challenges for agricultural exports. Irregular rainfall, prolonged droughts, floods, and rising temperatures can reduce crop yields and affect product quality. Farmers are increasingly adopting irrigation systems, improved crop varieties, water harvesting, greenhouse farming, and climate-smart farming techniques to reduce these risks and maintain stable production. Agricultural exports also create employment across many sectors. Jobs are created on farms, in transport companies, packaging factories, processing plants, cold storage facilities, airports, shipping companies, laboratories, inspection agencies, and export businesses. Thousands of young people and women earn incomes through activities connected to agricultural exports, making the sector an important contributor to economic development. Starting an agricultural export business requires careful preparation. Entrepreneurs need to identify profitable products, understand target markets, meet legal requirements, establish reliable supply chains, maintain high product quality, and build strong relationships with buyers. They must also understand exchange rates, shipping costs, insurance, packaging requirements, and payment methods used in international trade. The cost of starting an export business depends on the size and type of operation. A small export business may require several $100,000 Kenyan shillings to cover registration, licensing, packaging materials, storage, transportation, inspections, and marketing. Larger businesses may invest several million Kenyan shillings in cold rooms, processing equipment, warehouses, and logistics infrastructure. Although the investment can be significant, successful exporters often benefit from access to large international markets and long-term business opportunities. Kenya has built a strong reputation for producing high-quality agricultural products. Kenyan tea is respected worldwide for its rich flavor. Kenyan coffee is valued for its excellent quality. Kenyan flowers are sold in many international markets, and Kenyan avocados continue to experience growing global demand. With proper regulation, improved farming methods, modern technology, and continued investment, Kenya is well positioned to increase its agricultural exports even further. The Agricultural Export Agency system in Kenya, led by institutions such as the Agriculture and Food Authority together with other supporting organizations, plays a critical role in ensuring that Kenyan agricultural products reach international markets safely and competitively. Through licensing, quality control, inspections, farmer support, market promotion, and digital innovation, these agencies help strengthen Kenya's agricultural sector, improve farmer incomes, create employment opportunities, and contribute to sustainable economic growth. As global demand for safe and high-quality food continues to grow, Kenya's agricultural export industry is expected to remain one of the country's strongest drivers of development.